Okay, so I'm chilling here with the lovely Kashia. Go ahead, say it again.
Kasha.
Don't you say it so cute?
It's Kasha, people.
Tell me about yourself.
Well, I am a 22-year-old Aquarius, so enjoy.
So, you forget how old you were for a second?
Huh?
You just forget how old you were. I saw that. You was like, I'm a 20-year-old, I'm a 22.
Because the camera upon me, so I was like,
Nah, you be lying to people.
I'm not used to this kind of stuff.
That's okay though. Guys, I gotta back up so you guys can get a full view of how she looks, cause she is gorgeous. Like, I don't know why she's not a runway model. Somebody told her she was too short. They were too short-sighted. Isn't she go? Look at her. Okay. She don't look like she eat cow foot at all. She look like. I just had a good time in the water. I'm talking about, it's a little salty. I'm not gonna lie, I swallowed about two cups, and she can swim more than she says she can. She all on her back and shit, just chilling. No, I don't believe her. I don't believe nothing else she gotta say. Look, she don't even look like a liar, does she?
Nah, I'm a good swimmer.
See? But she beautiful though. I'll give her that. She can't swim, but she definitely fine. Can you cook? You can cook?
Of course I can.
You said that with a little twang on it too. Of course I can cook. Like you said, like every Jamaican can cook.
Which Jamaican girl can cook?
I don't know. I don't.
A few moments later.
This is gonna be a big cold.
Oh, you ain't shit. You ain't shit. Oh, you ain't shit. Ooh. I don't even know anywhere else like that.
What's up, dude?
Here in Portland. I mean, what up, bro? How you doing?
You got a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw you recently.
Oh man, thank you.
Absolutely, bro. I was like, damn, I don't think we're still here.
I'm sorry, you gorgeous. I had to catch you right there, girl. Hey guys, how you doing? Look, I'm right here at Winifred Beach, right here with my man DK from Miami.
That's right.
He seen me on YouTube, knew who I was. I'm not gonna lie, I'm blown away because that's only happened twice now.
Exactly.
And I'm not gonna lie, bro is buff, man. Oh, look at this, bro. You stacked, bro. What do you do, man? Bro, I do push-ups every day. And look at, my body is his left shoulder. This is crazy. I'm gonna fix this. Tell me about yourself, bro. How long you here for?
Okay, I actually came in on Friday and I'm here till Wednesday. I just
Okay.
came down to refresh, recharge, and head back to Miami. I'm in sales. I sell furniture. I help people create beautiful homes. That's what I do.
Okay, man. I like, you know what? Pay attention to how he said the end part. That's what I do. He didn't say it like, that's what I do. No, that's what I do. Meaning I'm a professional.
Exactly.
I am the man. Matter of fact, if you come to Miami and you need any type of furniture, you see this.
That's right.
Give me your number.
Okay, that's 786-457-7075.
Don't
I'm
play
on
with him.
WhatsApp as well.
And he's on WhatsApp, guys. Like, share, comment. See you guys next time.
Hi, YouTubers. Please subscribe to Robert Dream Big.